Hey traders, thanks for stopping by here, thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the market here. I'm going to go over a lot of charts in addition to the S&P 500, Apple, Google, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Microsoft, and I think that's it. So we're going to cover the market here. We're going to cover all of these charts. And the idea here is to not necessarily give you specific trade ideas on these individual charts that I'm going to be covering, but just show you the overall health of the market, and hopefully it'll help you make some trading decisions on your own if you're able to see the full health of the market. Okay, so a little disclaimer here. I hate to have to put this disclaimer out here, but I am not a perma bull. I'm not a perma anything. In fact, if you look down here, when we crashed here in the market, this was actually a very profitable time for myself and the members here at thetradinganalyst.com. So has this big up move been ever since the end of 2018. If you've been watching these videos I've been doing on the market, I've been bullish this entire move up. All right, go back. Don't believe me? That's fine. Go back, watch the videos I've been doing ever since the early beginning of 2019. All right, so now let's focus on what's going on in the market right now. Last week, we saw something very, very important happen. All right. If you scroll in here, you can see, let me just, oops. You can see we had a little bit of support, boom, boom, boom. We broke this support, all right, 2 red days in a row, followed by, boom, this huge big gap up and close over the previous day's high. In my opinion, this wiped out any kind of potential bearishness, okay? We didn't have any bearish continuation last week, and we haven't had that, honestly, in this whole move up. Okay, we've had little dips here. You know, what is this, 4 red days in a row? Oh my God. All right, so right here, all that happened after that, 4 red days, and then boom, this huge bounce. All right, so I'm seeing this Friday's action of last week as day number 1. All right, so we had an opportunity to break down. All right, if you look here, we're right here just above all-time highs. All right, this is our previous all-time highs we made here in September of 2000 September of 2018. You can see we had an opportunity to break over and then break below, but Friday's action of last week just kind of nixed that out and negated any kind of potential bearishness. All right, guys, so the trend is up. The trend, I hate to use a parable that a lot of people use, but it's very, very true. The trend is your friend. We need a big move downside in order for us to really get bearish, all right? You have to have some kind of move bigger than just 2 red days, all right? You need more than 2 red days to get bearish, all right? So now I'm going to go over a couple charts here to help you understand exactly what we're seeing. So Apple just had a big gap up here on an earnings reaction. All right, yes, it is coming into a major resistance. All right, it is. All right, that is a fact. But what we have here is a big gap up on earnings. All right, the last time we saw a big gap up on earnings was right here. That was a nice big long signal. That's actually a place that I got long and held this position until I think about right up here is where I sold. All right, so we didn't get the full meat of the move, but profited very, very nicely. All right, guys, so yes, Apple is coming into resistance, but it had a big gap up on earnings. And if you don't know, earnings move stocks. All right, guys, so the next one we're going to look at is Amazon. And again, remember, I'm not trying to give you specific trade ideas for these specific stocks. Otherwise, I would spend a lot more time and go over a lot more detail on these levels. The reason I'm showing you this is so that you can see these are the key movers and shakers of the market. If they're bearish, 9 times out of 10, well, not 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, if these stocks are bearish, the market is going to head lower. If they're all bullish, the market is going to head higher. That's just the way it works. They carry a lot of weight, all right, guys, in both directions, all right? So Amazon closed over and made a new high. Again, we had a little dip right here and then boom, big strong close over the recent highs. And not only that, but it had heavy volume, all right? Not only that, but we've got already a trend up here for Amazon, both in the near term, the last several months, as well as the long term, last several years. The trend is your friend, all right, guys? So even if we see some kind of little dip, no big deal. We saw a dip here and then a bounce, a little dip here, bounce, dip, bounce. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come down and fill this gap. Don't panic. That would be totally normal. I wouldn't be surprised if we just headed higher without doing that as well. So either way could happen. But regardless of all that, we are seeing very bullish action on this stock. The next one is Facebook, another huge mover. What happened just recently? Just recently we had, guess what? Another big gap up on an earnings reaction, okay? Positive earnings reaction. Last time we saw that was right over here. Huge gap up on earnings. And then we kind of traded sideways and then we headed up. So we went from here, about 166, all the way up to almost 200 bucks just from that last earnings reaction. And what happened again? We had another big gap up on earnings. And it looks, as of now, it looks very similar to how it did over here. So you might have to be patient, but Facebook is not bearish. Facebook looks very bullish. Next stock we're going to look at, Google. Google is the only one that had a bearish earnings reaction. We had a dip here, but again, we see lots of dips in this overall uptrend. You can see dip here, boom, dip here, boom, dip here, but overall we're heading higher. And you can see we're making higher highs and higher lows. Here's a high, a higher high, and we just made a higher high right here. So right here could be making a higher low. Here's a low, here's a higher low, exactly. Okay, guys? So yes, we took a dip right here, but we came right into this little support right here. It bounced. It was previous resistance there. We bounced there, and now it's bouncing against that same level. All right. So that's Google. The next one is Netflix. Netflix, this is something that also had a positive earnings reaction right here. This was where that earnings reaction had. We had a gap up on big volume. What happened after that? We had a higher. Not only that, but we're breaking out of this very tight sideways consolidation range. All right, guys? And this is one that actually we are currently long on. The only reason I'm revealing that is because we're already very much so in the green. Normally I don't reveal our open positions, but I don't, because I think it's unfair for our paying clients if I'm revealing my positions for free to you guys. But since we're already way past our entry and we're already almost to our first target up here at about 392, I feel comfortable revealing that to you. So Netflix, trading sideways, breaking out of that range, positive reaction to earnings, heavy volume, not bearish, all right? Microsoft, here's another one, big gap up just recently here on earnings to new all-time highs. Yeah, we saw a little dip, but now we're bouncing, okay? We are at all-time highs. Does this look like a bearish stock to you? This is a extremely bullish stock, all right? And for those of you that are saying, well, it has to end sometimes, well, you're going to be right, okay, eventually. But right now, you want to be trading with the trend. The trend is up. You will know when the trend ends, and that's when we stop getting these ridiculous bounces after every single minor dip. So I hope that this video helps you out. If you have any questions about it, please reach out to me. I love talking to traders, whether you're a new trader, whether you're an experienced trader. I like to talk to everybody. If you got questions, let me know. So what we're looking at here is our real-time portfolio tracker. It tracks every single trade that we take and alert to members in real time via text message. All of these entries right here were sent out via text message in real time with the exact entry price. All these exits right here were sent out in real time via text message to all of my members. Not only that, but these trades aren't coming out of nowhere. All of these trades are put on our watch list here, which I can't really show you because it lists all of our open positions, but our watch list features all of these positions ahead of time. So you're able to prepare ahead of time for these trades and know what to expect. So the other reason I'm showing you this is to show you that, a lot of people can make these videos, they can show you charts, but they don't actually get results in the market. But we do, and here are the results, and I'm showing you that we actually make money in the market. You can see that our average winner is over 2 times or almost double the size of our average loser. You can see that our winners far outweigh our losses. Hate to break it to you, we do lose. It's just a part of trading. And you can see that since July, the portfolio is up over $253,000. All right, guys, and that is following all of these trades that we alert to members in real time. All of the winners, all of the losers, all of the break-even trades, every single trade gets uploaded to this portfolio tracker. So if you'd like to make winning options trades on a consistent basis, then I highly encourage you to join the Trading Analyst Premium community today. If you've bought and sold trades at the wrong time and lost money, you're not confident about when the right time to get in or out is, that's okay, but you definitely need help, and we can help you by instantly reducing your losing trades and making you consistently profitable when you get started with the #1 options trading service on the planet. That is us, thetradinganalyst.com. What you get when you sign up and you join today, you're going to get the easy to follow real-time trade alerts. Anytime I buy something, I'm sending you a text message. When I sell something, I'm sending you a text message. So you never have to worry about missing another breakout trade ever again. We find the action, you keep the profits. Here are a few examples of some recent trades that we took that if you remember at that time, you would have been able to participate and make money alongside of us. The next thing you're getting access to is the real-time portfolio tracker. I showed you a portion of it earlier in the video, and it's just our way of being 100% completely transparent with you. Apparently, there's a lot of services out there who don't track their trades and they don't show their members or anyone their results. And that's plain and simple because they're not getting results for themselves or their clients. But we get results, and we're happy to share that with you via this real-time portfolio tracker. The other reason that we show you this portfolio tracker, or that you get access to this portfolio tracker, is a way to learn and see what it's like to actually be profitable, how the numbers stack up, how the wins stack up to the losses, and what you need to do in order to be profitable. And you're going to be able to see that. The next thing you're getting access to is the professional trading watch list. Again, all of our trades are put onto a watch list before they're actually alerted and before we actually take that position. And that is so that you can prepare ahead of time. When you're prepared, you make money, plain and simple. The next thing you're getting access to is the exclusive member-only videos. And if you've ever wanted to get inside the head of a profitable trader, myself, then you are going to get the opportunity to do that as I share my thoughts and strategies on the market every single day. I make almost daily videos, sometimes multiple videos a day, and it's to help guide you through the market. I discuss our open positions, I discuss potential trades, I discuss what's going on in the market right now, anything that can help you make money in the market. If I feel that it can help you make money, I'm putting it in a video and I'm guiding you through the market. The next thing you're getting access to is a bonus here. It is our full education library. First and foremost, it's included in that is the Options Accelerator course. It's going to bring you up to speed on how to do options the right way. The next thing that's included in this education library is I teach you my strategy from A to Z. That alone is worth 10 times the cost of the membership. And I say that with confidence because we get results in the market for myself and my clients using this strategy. So that alone is going to put you in a huge advantage over any other trader out there that doesn't have a viable strategy. Scroll down here and you're going to see everything that you're going to get. The trade alerts, the portfolio tracker, the watch list, the member videos, education library, for a total value of over $2,000, $2,400. For a limited time only, you can get in for the lowest price that we've ever offered the annual membership, only $787 for the entire year. So get started today. Click that button right here, and you're going to get access here once you enter in your name, your email, your phone number. Make sure this is a valid phone number that you can receive text messages on, because that's how you receive the buy and sell alerts. Choose a password. Scroll down here and enter in your billing information, or you can check out with PayPal by clicking that button right there. Either choice is available to you. It doesn't matter to me. It's at your convenience. So once you decide to do that, click this button here, and you're going to get instant access to everything that we talked about today. Most importantly, you're getting access to every single trade I make real time via text message, and it's going to finally allow you to make consistent returns in the market. So I hope that you make that decision for yourself, and I'm really looking forward to helping you reach your goals of becoming a profitable trader. I will see you on the inside.